Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Bitmart application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Bitmart application on your Android device, first open up your Play Store. In the search box appearing at the top, type in Bitmart and search. Once you find the application that says Bitmart, buy Bitcoin and crypto, tap on the install button to download the application on your Android device. Now wait until the application gets downloaded and installed, which is a quick process depending upon your internet. Bitmart is a premier digital asset exchange. It provides simple and secure crypto products and services to everyone out there. You can trade, purchase and store popular cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin, and so much more. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Give it a tap to launch the app open, and that's how you can easily download Bitmart application for your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.